Have you ever looked at a Hawaiian word and wondered, how do I pronounce this? In this lesson, I'm going to help you learn how to correctly pronounce Hawaiian words by introducing you to Ka Pīʻāpā Hawaiʻi, the Hawaiian alphabet. Then we'll look at some commonly mispronounced words and how to pronounce them correctly. Welcome to Morning Manaʻo, the Hawaiian channel. Owau o Luana Kava'a. I'm Luana Kava'a, and I'm here to teach you all about Hawaii through lessons in Hawaiian language, culture, values, and history. If you're ready to learn, be sure to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss a single lesson. Mākaukau, ready to begin? E ho'omaka, let's get started. Ka Pīʻāpā Hawaiʻi is the Hawaiian alphabet, which is made up of 13 letters. The 5 vowels pronounced a, e, I, o, u, and the letters H, K, L, M, N, P, and W, pronounced he, ke, la, mu, nu, pi, ve. Take a look at the diacritical markings that are used to help us with pronunciation. The first is the ʻOkina, which is the glottal stop. It can only be found before or between vowels, and it creates a cutting sound. The macron, or Kahakō, is found only over vowels, and it elongates the vowels. Now, we'll talk about this in a little more detail once I start to introduce some of the words. When we put consonants and vowels together, we want to make sure that we're pronouncing it correctly. Let's look at the word kona, which is the name of a place on Hawaii Island, and also the word for his or hers in Hawaiian. Kona, K-O-N-A, or in Hawaiian, K-O-Nu-A, is pronounced kona. The K and the O come together and it is pronounced ko, ko. The N and the A, na, na. Put it together, kona, kona. What we hear is kona, kona. We want to be careful that we don't drag out that O, but that we pronounce it correctly this way, kona, kona. E ho'opili mai, repeat after me. Kona, kona, mai ka iloa. Word number 2 is aloha. Now this word gets used globally, all over the world. It means love, compassion, mercy. You gotta go look it up because it has tons of meanings. But it gets mispronounced as aloha, aloha. We want to make sure that when we bring the L and O together, that we pronounce it this way. Lo, lo, not low, but lo, lo. Aloha. E ho'opili mai, repeat after me. Aloha, aloha. Mai ka iloa. Excellent job. Word number 3 is po, which means finished or done. We use this word all the time here in Hawaii, but try going outside of Hawaii and using the word po. You'll probably get some strange looks and people won't know what you're saying. But here in Hawaii, if you're eating at a restaurant, the server will likely ask you, are you po? Are you finished? Or you might even say, I'm po, I'm done. Let's say it correctly, po. Not pow, but po, po. E ho'opili mai, repeat after me. Po, po. Mai ka iloa, you're doing great. Word number 4 is actually the name of a place, Maui, which is where I live. So the pronunciation on this one is super important. When we bring the letter M and A together, it is pronounced ma, ma. Now we're gonna add 2 more vowels, the U and the I. Maui, Maui. E ho'opili mai, repeat after me. Maui, Maui. What we don't want to say is Maui, Maui. Do you hear the difference? And do you see the difference in my mouth? The incorrect pronunciation is Maui, and the correct pronunciation is Maui, mai ka ino. The 5th and last word in this lesson is the word mana, which means spiritual power. Now, mana can sometimes be mispronounced as mana, mana. We want to make sure that that M and A is pronounced ma, just like in Maui. Mana. E ho'opili mai, repeat after me. Mana. Mana. Mai ka iloa. Let's recap this ha'awina, this lesson. You learned ka Pīʻāpā Hawaiʻi, the Hawaiian alphabet, and how to put letters together to correctly pronounce Hawaiian words. We also went over 5 commonly mispronounced words and practiced saying them correctly. If you enjoyed this lesson, be sure to subscribe, like, and share. And for more ways to work with me and learn Hawaiian language, culture, and values, visit my website, luanakawa'a.com. And last but not least, be sure to follow Morning Manaʻo on Instagram and Facebook. Until our next ha'awina, ahui ho.